Before we begin, if you're passionate about rare coins, hidden treasures, and real money stories, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF right now. This channel is specially for serious collectors, especially those who understand that coins are not just metal, they are history, memory, and sometimes unexpected profit. Now today, we're talking about one modern coin that many people ignore, but smart collectors never overlook: the 2005 D. Lincoln penny. The 2005 D. Lincoln penny was struck at the Denver Mint, marked with the small d under the date. At first glance, it looks like just another cent in your pocket. On the front, you see Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, with the familiar words "In God We Trust" and "Liberty." On the back, you'll find a Lincoln Memorial design that was used from 1959 to 2008. But what most people do not realize is that condition, mint quality, and rare varieties can completely change the value of this coin. Now let's understand something important. By 2005, pennies were no longer made mostly of copper. Like other modern cents, this coin is composed of 97.5% zinc with a thin copper plating. That means most circulated examples are worth only face value. But here is where experienced collectors, especially men between 55 and 65 who have handled coins for decades, pay attention. High-grade uncirculated coins, especially those graded MS67 or higher, can sell for strong premiums. The difference between a pocket coin and a collector coin is condition. The Denver Mint produced over 3.7 billion of these pennies in 2005. That sounds like a huge number, and it is. But most of those coins entered circulation. Very few were preserved in perfect condition straight from mint rolls. And even fewer remain today without scratches, discoloration, or contact marks. When a coin survives in nearly flawless condition with full red luster, sharp strike details in Lincoln's hair, and clear steps on the Lincoln Memorial, collectors begin to compete. There are also error varieties that add excitement to this issue. Some collectors search for double die errors, off-center strikes, die cracks, or weak strikes in the lettering. Even a small minting mistake can multiply the value many times. For a serious collector, examining the coin under magnification is essential. Look at the date, the mint mark, and the fine lines around Lincoln's portrait. Sharp detail means higher grade. Blurry or worn detail means lower value. Another thing that experienced collectors appreciate is eye appeal. A bright, original red penny with no brown spots is always more desirable than a dull, circulated example. Storage matters. Coins kept in rolls, tubes, or protective holders since 2005 are the ones that sometimes surprise the market years later. Many men who started collecting decades ago understand this patience. Sometimes the best investment is not buying, it is keeping. Market demand also plays a big role. Lincoln cents are one of the most collected coins in the United States. Generations have built complete sets from 1909 onward. That means even modern dates, like 2005, D can become important when collectors want top-grade examples to complete registry sets. Competition between collectors drives prices higher for the finest certified pieces. That if you have rolls of 2005 D pennies stored away, it may be time to check them carefully. Separate the brightest and cleanest coins. Use proper lighting. Avoid cleaning the coin. Cleaning destroys value immediately. If you believe you have an exceptional piece, professional grading can confirm its condition. A certified high-grade coin carries more trust and can bring stronger auction results. Now let's talk numbers. Most circulated 2005 D. Lincoln pennies are worth just 1 cent. Lightly uncirculated coins might sell for a few cents. But in superb uncirculated condition, especially in MS67 red, Auction records have shown examples selling around $238.30. That is a powerful reminder that even a modern penny can become a small treasure when preserved perfectly. As over the next time you see a 2005 D. Lincoln penny, do not dismiss it too quickly. Look closely. Condition is everything. Knowledge is power, and patience is profit. Stay sharp, keep searching your change, and remember the next valuable coin could already be in your hands. And if you want more powerful coin stories like this, make sure you stay connected with CoinZF.